What a beautiful day for the Harvest Festival. I look forward to it every year. The whole town coming together to pick all of those yummy fruits and vegetables. I can't wait! Yum! Fruits and vegetables. And all that sweet corn. My favorite! Don't eat more than you can pick this year, Rubble. Hi, Farmer Yui. How is the Harvest Festival going? Ryder! Chickaletta found her way into the sweet corn stack and ate so much that she started to hiccup uncontrollably. Then she floated up to the top of the barn, and she's stuck there now. I tried to get her down with my ladder, but there's a huge pile of logs in the way. My ladder can't reach, and we'll never be able to move all those logs fast enough. We could sure use some help. Don't worry, Farmer Yumi. No chicken is too stuck, no pup is too small. We're on our way. PAW Patrol, to the lookout. Ryder needs us. PAW Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir. Thanks for hurrying, pups. Chickaletta is hiccuping out of control and has hiccuped her way to the top of the barn. There's a pile of logs in the way, making it hard for anyone to reach her. Marshall, we could use the ladder on your split-second vehicle. I'm ready for a ruff-ruff rescue. And Rubble, we'll need your construction skills to operate the saw on the back half of the vehicle. We'll have to chop some of those logs down so we can move them quicker. Rubble, on the double. And Chase, take your split-second vehicle as well. We can use your tennis ball launcher to keep the area clear. Sky, you go with him. The winch at the back will be super helpful in moving those logs fast. Chase is on the case. This pup's gotta fly. The rest of you pups, meet us there in your vehicles. We'll need all paws on deck to get Chickaletta down fast. All right, PAW Patrol's on a roll. Patrol, I'm so glad you're here. I'm so worried about my Chickaletta. She's way up there. Don't worry, Mayor Goodway and Farmer Yumi. We'll use my ladder to get her down in no time. Oh, my poor Chickaletta. She must be so scared up there. Even my ladder is too short. I can't get close enough. We're going to have to move this pile of logs, and quick. Wait a minute, Marshall. I've got an idea. There are a lot of logs here. It will be much faster if we use them to build a ladder extension. Great thinking, Rubble. Sky, help me pull some logs over here. I'll saw them down to the right size. And then Rocky, can you use your fix-it skills to help me put it together? Don't lose it, reuse it. Other birds swooping around Chickaletta. They must smell all the sweet corn. I'm worried she's going to fall. What are we going to do? Don't worry, Mayor Goodway. Chase is on the case. I'll use my tennis ball launcher to keep the other birds out of the area. Great idea, Chase. And set up the net in your pup pack, too, just in case. On it, Ryder. Arf, arf, net! Woohoo! It's working! Yippee! Oh, Chickaletta, you had me so worried. Thank you, Paw Patrol. We couldn't have done it without you. Whenever there's a problem, just yelp.